everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial tool for artists and engineers alike, metal rulers. Whether you're working on intricate artwork or precise technical drawings, a metal ruler can make all the difference. Pacific Art carries the widest range of metal rulers you'll find anywhere in the US. Let's explore why every artist needs one and how to make the most of it. First off, let's talk about the benefits of using a metal ruler. Unlike plastic rulers, metal rulers provide unparalleled precision and durability. Their weight gives you stability when drawing straight lines, and their straight edge helps to ensure accurate measurements every time. They come in a wide range of graduations, sizes, and designs, so you can find the perfect ruler for your project. Plus, metal rulers are less likely to warp or bend, ensuring your lines stay true even after repeated use. This is especially important for artists who require accuracy in their designs. Let's talk about technical drawings. These drawings are essential in fields like engineering, architecture, and design. They require precision to communicate exact measurements and specifications. Accuracy is key in technical drawings because even the smallest error can lead to significant issues later on. A metal ruler helps maintain that accuracy, ensuring that your lines are straight and your measurements are precise. For this use, you might consider one of our architect or engineering steel flat scales in conjunction with a ruler with more typical graduations. Pacific Art's steel flat scales are highly accurate and made of thick steel for extra durability on a job site or in your shop. Now that we've covered the technical side of using a metal ruler, let's explore the artistic side of using one. Many people think rulers are just for technical uses, but they can also add a level of precision and clean lines to your artistic creations. Whether you're designing intricate patterns, creating geometric shapes, or laying down a foundation for your artwork, a metal ruler can be your best friend. One technique many artists utilize is a steel ruler to create a grid to make more accurate drawings and paintings. This is typically when working from a reference or when designing a more geometric work of art. In this instance, the grid will serve as a guide for your design and ensure that everything is symmetrical. Let's take a look at how we can use a grid to create one type of artwork. Now that I have my grid, I can start to fill in the sections with color. The straight edges of the ruler help me maintain those clean lines, which really makes the colors pop. You can also use masking tape for this as well. Using a metal ruler allows you to experiment with sharp angles and clean edges, which is especially important in abstract art or geometric designs. You can see examples of how different artists utilize this by looking at the artworks of. As you can see, the ruler helps define the structure of the piece, allowing for both freedom and control in your creativity. It's all about balancing precision with artistic expression. With the foundation set by the ruler, I can let my imagination run wild while still having that solid structure to guide me. Now, though metal rulers are highly durable, to keep your rulers in top condition, regular maintenance is crucial. Here are some tips on how to care for your rulers. Always wipe your ruler clean after use to remove ink or graphite residue. If your ruler gets scratched or damaged, it can affect your measurements, so store it flat or hang in a safe place to prevent bending or warping. Let's get practical. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use a metal ruler for accurate measurements. First, align the edge of your ruler with your desired starting point. Use a sharp pencil to make your line, applying even pressure to ensure it doesn't slip. This technique helps you achieve the cleanest lines possible. If you want additional security, look for a cork or rubber-backed ruler that will prevent slippage and provide an ink lift as a bonus. Now, let's watch the process of creating a detailed technical drawing from scratch. Notice how the metal ruler aids in establishing clean, straight lines. Additionally, if you're using a ruler with a non-slip backing, it acts as an ink lift, preventing ink from seeping under the ruler and creating blotchy or uneven lines. Scaling flat scales provide an easy way to draw items to a particular scale as well. Using a metal ruler not only helps in drawing, but also in measuring and marking essential dimensions accurately. Finally, let's take a closer look at the different kinds of steel rulers and what they're used for both artists and engineers. First, let's look at straight edges. They're made of extra thick steel to serve as a straight edge or measuring tool, often for checking straightness, drawing, and easy paper tearing along the beveled edge. Steel flat scales are made of thick steel with useful scaling graduations for both architects and engineers. The printer's line gauge, pica pole, or graphic arts ruler is used in printmaking and graphic design with specific graduations for this field, such as agate and pica. Triple EM and SSME rulers are made of thick steel and can feature a conversion table on the back with both metric and imperial measurements. Lastly, let's take a look at rulers with different backings. Choose cork or rubber backing to reduce sliding during use. It features a wide range of different graduations depending on the ruler, from metric to imperial and even pica. From straight edges to integrated measurement scales, metal rulers are a versatile tool that every artist and engineer should have in their toolkit. They enhance precision and ensure quality in every project. And that wraps up our deep dive into the essential role of metal rulers in art and technical drawings. I hope you found this information helpful, whether you're refining your art skills or creating precise technical sketches. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite techniques with metal rulers in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.